Hey y'all, welcome to Unboxing Discovery by G. My name is Gina and Miss Bonnie is over there. Y'all, today I am announcing the winner for my 600 and my 700 subscriber giveaway. So let's look and see who won. Now remember, one winner does get the goodie box and the other winner is gonna get a $25 gift card to Amazon. There's a special word for each one of those. Let's see who won. Congratulations, Twitchy Witchy, you won the goodie box, and congratulations to Sylvia Jackson, you won the gift card. Y'all, you know what to do. Email me at unboxingdiscoverybyg@gmail.com and I'll get you your goodies. Y'all, thanks so much. I'm so excited for you. Yay, congratulations. So congratulations to the winners. I'm so excited for y'all. I hope you enjoy it. Thank you so very much for spending time with me, for subscribing, for supporting my channel. I love y'all so very much. Y'all have a wonderful day and God bless.